fly. Hit the no one time, hit the not the time. Hit it, that's your fire. Got a knife fire, got your knife fire. Got a knife fire, got your knife fire.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. Guys, did you see that intro? Oh my god, you cannot tell me that wasn't my hair. So guys, in today's video, I'm bringing you an unboxing from Hergivenhair. Thank you so much for working with me. So guys, they sent me their 3-in-1 Kinky Coily 4B4C Half Wig, and when I say guys, this hair is a game changer. This hair is a transformer hair. Honestly, I have never seen anything like this before, and what I love most about this hair is because this hair caters to we 4 type girlies that struggle to find the perfect wig for our 4 type texture. So guys, this is just me unboxing this. It came with a wig instruction book, and you can see also there I also brought out the wig, and it also came with this wig bag that you can just use to store your wig when you're done wearing it. So guys, let's get to the wig. This is how packaged it came from the box. I love this hair so much, guys. Look at the texture. It looks so much like our 4 type hair. This is the inside of the hair. It looks like an headband wig, but without the whole obvious headband. And it also came with 4 combs inside the wig just for added security. And guys, it is also a ponytail. It has a drawstring. What else do I want? And it also came with extra combs just for extra security. And guys, what else do you want in a wig? A wig that can be a headband wig, an afro, and a ponytail. What else do you want in a wig? Guys, take a look at this texture. It looks so much like our 4 type natural hair, and I love the fact that this wig is also very low maintenance. The same way you take care of your 4 type hair, that is the same way you should take care of this. Like, it is no brainer. So guys, to prep this hair, the first thing I'm going to do is to co-wash this hair, and because it's already in a week, I want to just do this on a mannequin head. And just like you do with your hair, the first thing you want to do is section, guys. Section. I section this hair, and I'm just gonna spray this hair first with water before I apply my conditioner to co-wash. So guys, one thing I love about this wig, guys, the moment I sprayed water on this wig, this hair melted, guys. It melted so much. The hair felt so freaking soft. I need to massage that water into the hair, and guys, I'm just gonna then use my conditioner from Tresemme. I love this conditioner so much. I just applied a little of it on the hair. Don't be too scared to add more if you want to. I added lots and lots of conditioner to the hair, and I massaged that into the hair. And then I will also be using this my wide tooth comb. Please don't use a small comb, use a wide tooth comb. And guys, look at how easy it was for me to just brush through this wig. Guys, look at how easy it was for me to just brush through the hair. I did not experience any form of tangling at all. The hair felt so freaking soft. And then after working with the curls in that section, I just put that aside, and I'm just gonna do the same thing to the rest of the hair. Okay, I just wanna hug you. Said I really wanna love you. Come on, baby, won't you come through? I think you're pretty fly. Let me show you why. So guys, now I am done combing out the coils, and this is what it looks like. This hair is so freaking soft, guys. I am so obsessed with how soft this hair feels. I left the conditioner to still sit in the hair for like 10 minutes, and I went to the bathroom to just have it all washed out. And after washing, I just kept the wig in like in a towel to just squeeze off the excess water from the hair. So guys, now this is what the coils are looking like. To just add some extra hydration to the hair, I decided to add some leave-in conditioner. This is mine from Kinky, and I just rubbed a little of that just on the hair to just give the hair that extra softness. Okay, even though it gets dried, the hair will still feel very soft. Okay,
Now you're right across the way, I can't contain. Hold up, baby, where you come from, flying.
so guys, this is me and my hair looking freshly washed and hydrated. So I kept my hair in like 4 different sections, and I'm just taking out just the fronts because that's what I need at the moment. So I'm going to wear this wig as a headband wig. That's why you're seeing me doing this. So I'm just gonna pull my hair to the back and also work on my edges because we're going to be wearing this wig as a headband wig.
Said I really wanna love you. Come on, baby, won't you come through?
So guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to wear my wig cap. Any one you have, any color, it doesn't matter. I like to put this on my hair because this will protect my hair from the combs, and it will also give the combs a very good base to sit on. And this is what the hair looks like, guys. So this is the star of the show, which is the wig, and I'm just going to be wearing that on my head. And if you watch me, guys, I'm putting that on my head, and I'm also putting the combs under the wig cap. Okay, and guys, doing this will help to secure the wig better on your hair instead of just putting the comb directly on your hair. Okay, and guys, take a good look at this hair. I love this hair so much. This hair looks so amazing. You can wear the hair like this without a headband if you want, because the illusion is so neat. Look at the sides of the hair. The illusion looked so freaking neat. And if you want to spice the hair up, you can always put a headband like I just did. Okay, so guys, now we're going to be blending this wig with my natural hair, and I'm just gonna pull this off, remove the wig cap and all from my head. And what I'm going to be doing now is to section out some parts of my front hair just so we can blend this wig with my hair. Okay,
I don't mind the dunkers, but we have is true. And I really need nobody, baby. As long as I'm with you, I know we shot at not just sometimes, but that what lovers do. And I really love you, baby, and I know that you love me too. I say, do the stuff a lot. Hit the no one time, hit the not the time, hit it, that's your fire. Gotta know you fire.
so guys, I'm done sectioning the front part of my hair. Apologies if my hair is looking a bit white. That is just the Kinky leave-in conditioner left on my hair. But aside from that, guys, when I say this hair is a perfect blend with my hair, the hair is a 1B in case you're asking, which is also a perfect blend with mine. So I'm just gonna stick the combs of the wig into all the sides of my hair. And guys, this is what it looks like. I love this blend, guys. You can't tell me this is not my hair. I love this so much. You can leave this on a center part or on a side part, like how I would show later on. Okay,
She fought, she horse, she blazing. Gone so away when I'm crazy, but don't you leave them begging, please. She said, I don't mind the dunkers, what we have is true. And I really need nobody, baby. As long as I'm with you, I know we shot at not just sometimes, but that what lovers do. And I really love you, baby, and I know that you love me too. And I say, do the stuff a lot. Hit the no one time, hit the not the time, hit it, that's your fire. Gotta know you fire, girl, you know you fire. Gotta know you fire, girl, you know you fire. Do the
guys, now we're going to try to do a center part ponytail, okay? And I'm just gonna try slick my hair back. It won't look the most perfect, okay? But I'm gonna do a center ponytail. You can make it a side part if you want. Then I'm just trying to just add my Eco Styler gel to slick down my hair a bit, and I also use the hard brush to just brush down my hair to give it, you know, that extra smoothness. Okay, so now this is the wig. I'm just going to pull that drawstring and attach that to my hair. Okay, so guys, this is what the hair looks like as a ponytail. I love how versatile this wig was. I have a discount code, guys, and it will give you $90 off if you use that discount code, as you guys can see on the screen and also in the description box. If you love this video, guys, let me know in the comment section and I will come back with more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She say, I don't mind the dunkers, but we have it true. And I really need nobody, baby, as long as I'm with you.